In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your deleted conversations in Grok AI. Before we start, here's the key idea. We'll walk through where to look inside Grok for past chats, and just as importantly, what's possible and not possible once something has been removed. That way you won't waste time clicking around or wondering if there's a hidden restore switch somewhere. First, open your browser and go to Grok's website. Log into the same account you used for the conversation you're looking for, since history is tied to your account. Give the page a moment to load fully so the interface pulls in your latest activity. If you use multiple profiles or devices, double check you're in the right one. Sometimes the conversation you expect is on a different account you used earlier. Next, an important reality check. If a conversation has been deleted in Grok, it's permanently gone. At the moment, Grok does not include a trash or recycle bin. There's no restore button, and there's no backup recovery for removed chats. Think of delete as a final action. That means the goal here isn't to recover something that has already been erased, but to confirm whether the chat is still present and simply out of sight, or to locate the version you want among your existing threads. With that in mind, look for the history area in the Grok interface and click it. This is the central place where your active and previously saved conversations live. Scroll through the list and watch for titles or snippets that match what you need. Open any likely thread to confirm the contents. If you organized or renamed chats before, that will make this much faster. If you don't see the conversation right away, keep scrolling through older entries and refresh the page once to make sure you're seeing the latest state from the server. If the conversation does not appear in history, consider it deleted and unrecoverable within Grok. To avoid this in the future, get into the habit of keeping important takeaways outside the app. Copy key answers into your notes, save screenshots of crucial steps, or export transcripts if that option becomes available. Giving chats clear names and avoiding bulk deletions can also protect work you want to keep. That's it for this walkthrough. Go to Grok, understand the limits of deletion, and check your history to find what's still there.